I said on me. No, this way. Down. Come. I can use the garbage. Come on. Garbage. Well, you know, I post a lot of this stuff in a lot of different places, and every now and then I get someone who comments about, well, there's no content to what you're doing. You don't talk very much. You know, sometimes it's nice to just have quiet, raw content. I think, you know, what am I doing? I'm walking the dogs. That's so hard to understand? Oh my God. What is your problem? You know, people just find any reason to bitch and complain. And it's funny how many people do it from the safe confines of behind a keyboard. You know, I used to like see that and go, what are people talking about? Now I get it. And it's just like, dude, I'm just out walking the dogs. No harm, no foul. If it bothers you so much, I believe you can scroll up, scroll right, scroll left, scroll down. You can just scroll away. It's not fucking rocket science. And I'm sorry I'm cussing, but it's literally ridiculous. You know, what I say is turn your camera on, do your own thing. You don't like what someone else is doing? You go do it better. You just go do it. Go do something. Besides just complain. You know, when people go, well, they're probably living in their mom's basement. I just think that was kind of a jerky thing to say in a sense, but now I kind of get it and go, you know what? They probably are. And that's why they're bitching. And if your life sucks, dude, I don't know what to tell you. I'm definitely not going to say some dumb stuff, but bro, figure it out. Go read a book. I don't know. National Geographic's better than it's ever been. Look, you want to watch a dog poop? There we go. There we go. There's some graphic stuff. Boy's got it stuck on his butt. Can't get it out. I ain't doing nothing for you, bro. You better get that shit out. Literally and figuratively. Did you get it out? Nope, not yet. Still kind of hanging there. What's going on with you? Why is it so clumpy? Why is it so clumpy dumpy? Did you get it? No, it's still friggin' hanging there. I see it. You nasty dog. That's only one piece because there's no other poop anywhere. Did you get it? Did you finally figure it out? I got a piece of poop to pick up someplace. This is the game I hate. Trying to find the poop. Because sometimes it just blends in. Are you still carrying the poop on your butt? Did you figure out a way to get rid of it? Oh, no, it's still hanging there. I can see it swinging in the wind. All right, coming around. Here's my life. If I'm not cleaning up after my children, I'm cleaning up after my dogs or my cat. Now that dude's got some issues. First of all, we call him the old man because he's old. He used to like to go outside and poop. Didn't need a litter box. Now, doesn't really like to go outside that much. When he does go outside, he literally sits inside my front door. I have a gate between the front door and the street. He will literally sit in there and hang out. And people walk by, he'll meow like he's in trouble. Dude, do something about that hanging off your butt. Okay. You got it. I see it. You better? Everything better? Now you're gonna try to bury it. See, that's the other thing that freaks me out. The pool doesn't freak me out, but bro, I get it. But if I gotta clean it up, I can't be having you bury it. Then I can't find it. Or sometimes he'll come and kick back the dirt while I'm cleaning up after him and gets all up in my shoe. It's like, bro, I'm trying to clean up after you. While I'm cleaning up after him and gets all up in my shoe. It's like, bro, I'm trying to clean up after you. I don't need the dirt in my shoe. I'm a weirdo. Anyways, going back to Karma, my cat. So like I said, oh look, be a super fan. I don't know what that means, but okay, be a super fan. Somehow. That means. Jojo, what's up? Anyways, what other thing? What's up? Anyways, what other thing? You can't say that I'm cleaning up for my dog. That's what pisses me off more though than the people who don't clean up after the dog. I don't know what the hell's going on there. Kind of weird. Got a big ass piece of hair. Ah! Hold on. We're trying to figure it out. I'm gonna need a stick. There we go. Everything's been figured out. And now move on to our lives. So I can twist up his bag. That's the other thing that sucks. Trying to carry your phone and twist the bag at the same time. Sorry for technical difficulties. But today, on Kobe is an asshole. That's Kobe. Kobe and Dixie. Ah, Dixie. Dixie, up, 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 up. Good girl. Look at that. I don't know. How tall is that wall? That wall. I'll tell you. She, you know, I know I say this all the time, but I like to make her jump as much as possible because it's good for her hips. Straighten that stuff because shepherds have hip issues as they get older. She is now 5 and he is 6. Belgian Malinois with a husky mix. That's why he has the blue eye. But he's crazy smart. I mean, crazy smart. But he's a little bit more mellow than most Malinois would be. But there's a few Malinois in this park to walk around. They are super mellow. I think a lot of it has to do with ownership, how you train them. Look at that dog. She's just crazy. The shepherd's crazy. They know where the water fountain is, so they run to it. Because they know that if they run to it, I will come give them water. Maybe. If they're nice, I will. But, sometimes I don't. Look. It's my favorite mom of two has joined as a guest. I don't know. It wants me to invite her to join as a guest. Why would I do that? She's busy. She got a job. She got to go to work. All right. Drink the water, Dixie. Dixie, come and drink. I don't want to